we introduce maintenance methods for storage. Temperature and humidity are important factors for device control. A device had better stay in the recommended temperature and humidity for storage term. And, especially, too much cold weather and humid atmosphere can give bad influence to a device. Also, we recommend another environment requirements and should satisfy following requirements. These recommendations are applied for use and storage. Avoid chemical substances or gas. Avoid high salty, strong corrosive or acidic atmosphere location. Avoid dusty location. Avoid direct sunlight location. Avoid uneven or unstable ground. After use, turn off the main switch and unplug the power plug. Clean handpieces impurities before storage. Before cleaning up, remove big dusts on window with air blower or dust removal spray. Please do not rub when you clean the window with cotton swab and alcohol. Just pick up dust and impurity lightly with cotton swab. Lens cleaning is the same way. Pick up dust and impurity lightly with cotton swab after air blowing. Tip can be touched with patient skin and many impurities can be stuck on tip. Therefore, it has to be cleaned before storage. You can use cotton swab and alcohol or alcohol paper for the cleaning. Keep the handpiece into the case in safety after using. Cover up the opened area arm with a protective cap. You can protect to inflow dust into the arm.